Have you ever felt like you're giving your all in a relationship but still questioning if you're enough? Or perhaps you've stayed in situations that didn't feel right simply because you thought you couldn't do better? Well, you're not alone. Self-worth plays a powerful, often hidden role in how we navigate relationships. It influences how we love, how we connect, and even how we let others treat us. Today, we're diving deep into the link between self-worth and relationships. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how valuing yourself can lead to healthier, more fulfilling connections. So, let's unlock the secret to thriving in love and life. The foundation. What is self-worth? Self-worth is the internal sense of being good enough and deserving of love and respect. It's not about arrogance or thinking you're better than others. It's about recognizing your intrinsic value. When your self-worth is strong, you're less likely to let external factors, like a partner's opinion or societal expectations, determine your value. How self-worth impacts relationships. 1. Healthy boundaries. When you value yourself, you're more likely to set and enforce healthy boundaries. This means saying no when necessary, advocating for your needs, and not tolerating disrespectful behavior. Conversely, low self-worth often leads to people-pleasing, overextending yourself, or staying in toxic dynamics. 2. Choice of partner. Your sense of self-worth influences who you choose to be with. If you believe you deserve respect and love, you'll gravitate toward people who treat you well. If not, you might settle for less partners who don't respect or prioritize you, perpetuating a cycle of dissatisfaction. 3. Communication and conflict resolution. A person with high self-worth communicates assertively. They express their feelings and needs without fear of rejection. On the flip side, low self-worth can lead to passive communication or avoidance, which can cause misunderstandings and unresolved issues. 4. Fear of rejection. When your self-worth is tied to a relationship, rejection can feel catastrophic. This fear can make you cling to unhealthy situations or avoid meaningful connections altogether. Recognizing your value helps you see rejection not as a reflection of your worth but as a part of life. Signs that self-worth might be affecting your relationship. You frequently seek validation from your partner. You feel anxious when you're not in constant communication with them. You avoid expressing your true feelings for fear of conflict or rejection. You stay in a relationship despite feeling undervalued or unhappy. Building self-worth to improve relationships. 1. Self-reflection. Take time to identify any beliefs or past experiences that may have diminished your self-worth. Journaling or talking to a therapist can help you uncover and challenge these patterns. 2. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a close friend. Forgive yourself for mistakes and recognize that imperfection is part of being human. 3. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how minor they seem. This builds confidence and reminds you of your capabilities. 4. Surround yourself with supportive people. The people around you have a significant impact on how you view yourself. Choose friends and loved ones who uplift and encourage you. 5. Develop independence. Cultivate hobbies, interests, and goals outside of your relationship. This reinforces that your identity and happiness aren't solely tied to your partner. How strong self-worth transforms relationships. When you value yourself, you naturally attract and maintain healthier relationships. You're less likely to tolerate toxic behaviors and more likely to engage in meaningful mutual connections. High self-worth fosters respect, trust, and authenticity, key ingredients for a thriving partnership. At the end of the day, the relationship you have with yourself sets the tone for every other relationship in your life. When you recognize your worth, you empower yourself to love deeply without losing yourself. So, take a moment today to reflect. How are you honoring your self-worth? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's build relationships rooted in respect, love, and self-worth. Until next time, remember, you're worthy just as you are.